Hi friends, in this video I would be showing 3 methods to change Google TV profile. Method 1. Go to top left corner, set switch accounts. Here you can see 3 profiles, Anna, John and Kid 1. From this list we can select one account and switch to that account. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to top right corner, select switch account. Here you can see 3 profiles. From here also we can select one profile and switch to that profile. This is a method 2. Method 3. Go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. Here you can see the profiles Anna, John and Kid 1. So from here we can select one profile, then set switch account. Done. So this way we can switch to that account. So this is a method 3. These are 3 methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.